Na babe wey no even fine dey pop online always, doing all categories of nonsense. Girls wey not get anything. The real beautiful babes with frightening figures in their accounts do not even post anything serious. Ubifranklin fourth baby mama don come out come tell us say wetin God cannot do, my beautiful people, e no dey exist. As in, what man think say e fit do, e no fit do. Na wetin God talk na e go land. This our papa, my beautiful people, the overseer of the Living Faith Church International, Bishop David Oyedepo, don come out come give us a bungalow testimony, my beautiful people. Anyways, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to this YouTube channel. This our papa and overseer for Winners Chapel. He don't come out come tell us all kind matter wey take happen as in life testimony. He talk say, my beautiful people, I go read me all of us will take listing. The general overseer of the Living Faith Church International, in brackets Winners Chapel, Bishop David Oyedepo, says he spent 7 hours in his office with a cobra but came out unhurt. According to a video posted on the church's YouTube channel, the pastor said the reason why the cobra didn't attack him was because of his love for God. He said, "You may read all the books I have written, but until you discover my heartbeat for God, you don't know my secret. God knows I love him. All the devils know I love God. And God proves perpetually and unending that I truly love him. So he manifests himself concerning me at his own time. He does it naturally in all the realms. I was in my office and a cobra was found in my wardrobe, the 3rd floor of the building, and I walked in that floor 7 hours in the previous night. And the morning when they were cleaning, there was a cobra and it stood up. It was there all night and I was with it there. Let me tell you this, when you become a lover of God, the enemy will leave you alone because every attempt on your life will bounce back to him. Everybody desires supernatural intervention in their finances, but there is nothing you earn as wages that will be equal to wealth. It is the blessing of God that makes you rich, and he adds no sorrows to it. So to you, bring the hand of God to bear on your finances. Whatever God says to you to do regarding your finances, do it. Hey, my beautiful people, una don listen to the bungalow testimony wey this our papa in the Lord, he don bring am out. When na Bishop David Oyedepo, he come out come talk say in dey for him office 7 hours with a cobra, my beautiful people. He no be hurt, as in say because he love God, cobra no be fit to do am anything. I no know, my beautiful people, a lot of people they chook mouth put for this matter. Some they suspect, some they talk say shebi na true or na lie. A lot of people they talk wetin they talk, my beautiful people. And as I read the speech finish, it go ends for level of tithes. Say anything where God tell you make you do for about your finance, make you do am, my beautiful people. Now for there people come out again come say, but what is this? As in, una no fit talk for church finish where finances not enter inside. What has finance got to do with your testimony that you brought before us, my beautiful people? Wait till una think about this matter. Me no want to chook mouth put here. Make una just write for comment section. Wait till una think about the matter. Make we dive for the second matter way we get for talk and today, my beautiful people. So my beautiful people, the second matter now about this Ubifranklin, a 4th baby mama. Hey, my people, if una no know Ubifranklin, now one entrepreneur, presenter, as we fit talk, my people, for Nigeria. As in the man, he said get 4 baby mamas and 4 different kids, my people, up to an extent where Davido come the call and say legend. My beautiful people, anyways, no be the matter we take bring us be that. The matter now about this Ubifranklin, a 4th baby mama, Sandra Iyowa, where he come out come talk say wetin God no fit do e no dey exist as in e say the curse wey Ubifranklin e be given to Rame e no catch fire as in my people. Make I read, make una lis ten. My ex told me no man will ever marry me, and na better man come marry me. Thank God, man no be God. May happiness and love never leave my home. My beautiful people, una don hear am back to back, as in bomber to bomber. Some years ago, as in 2019, 2020, the saga between this Ubifranklin and e fourth baby mama, e no be been an easy one, my people. Bomber to bomber, they just the give am for social media. E go up to an extent where Ubifranklin be take her some, tell her say nobody no go come marry you, as in nobody no go take pay dowry for your head. Now there's baby mama, e don't do e introduction this weekend wey pass, my people. E don't call give am bomber to bomber. It talk say Ubifranklin wey it talk say she no go marry the man self wey come marry am na better man, na man wey e get dough for him body, my beautiful people. Wetin una think about this matter? This one na clear indication for talk say what man cannot do does not exist, and say man no be God. My people, make una write for comment section wetin una think about this one. Make we dive for the next matter wey na the popping one. My people, the next matter na about this our Nollywood actor, in fact veteran actor and papa for Nollywood industry, Mr. Ugezu. He don't come out second talk say all those broke girls where they sabi come for social media, come they oppress people with all fake things wey they wear for body. They no get nothing for their bank accounts, my people. In talk say na babes wey no even fine, they pop online always, doing all categories of nonsense. Girls wey no get anything. The real beautiful babes with frightening figures in their accounts do not even post anything serious, only flowers, prayers, wishes, and etc. And one picture once in a while. Stop confusing. My people, the matter loud. It get as a deal for ear. My people, this our Nollywood actor, he knows the play. Now, person where he like tradition. Now, person of the former era, and he dey accept say no be this generation come out. Always he don't say poster mess. They talk for some youths and girls the way they know they follow tradition, where they know they follow decency or law of decency. My people, wait till we know. Now it don't come out this time around. Come to say all those people where they come oppress us, where they post 1, 2, 3, 4 every day. They don't post this. Say now broke girls. So say if you enter their bank account, the figures there are not frightening, my people. I see the matter. I say no, make I bring and to can share them to now. My people, we go stop this video for here. But before one go, if you're here, you've not subscribed to this channel, please do well to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on your post notification so that whenever I upload a video, you'll be amongst the first to be notified. I thank you for all the support you're giving me. I'll see you in my next video. As of now, I'm out. Choose.